Hello everyone, my name is Saishwar. Today we are gonna know about what is AI with emotional intelligence. This topic covers, as you can see, introduction, background concept and theoretical concepts, methodology and approaches, implementations, results and discussions, challenges and limitations, further work and improvements, and conclusion, and finally reference and Q&As. Now we are gonna start with introduction. So, what is emotional AI? Beyond words, this technology aims to make AI to understand, respond to human emotions, and create more empathetic interactions. It is a bridge between human machine gap. AI seeks to connect with the human experience with the machine capabilities, fostering a deeper understanding and empathy with humans. These technology nowadays using for larger industries like healthcare sector, education and customer services, enabling them to connect with people with a more empathetic and a personalized interaction. Next is what is human-centric future? This goal is to make AI which is solely purpose to for human lives, promote understanding, enriches relationship while respecting the human values. So basically, what it's saying is that purpose is to help humans and their growth while combining the AI and emotional intelligence. By combining the analytical power of AI with a lot of human emotions, we can build a future where technology truly serves our needs and feelings. So now we're gonna start about background and theoretical concepts. So let's start with what is emotional intelligence. Let me break it down to you. It is the ability to manage and understand the emotions, ourselves and others. It is a key components like a self-awareness, self-regulation, self so social awareness and relationship management. It is helps to lot of ways to understand each other person and connect with them with more empathetic approach. So building a emotional intelligence. So it gonna say how to build a AI using various techniques like facial recognition, NLP and HCI to achieve emotional intelligence. This allows to recognize emotions and understand the emotional language to create more natural and user-friendly interaction with the people. And what is the science behind it? This field of attractive computing explores how machines can understand and responds to the human emotions to aim create more human-like connection with each individual persons. So what is the methodology and approach to it? First, let's talk about step 1, building and training the AI. This process involves the data collection like text, voice, face, and NLP analysis for understanding the human language and training the machine learning modules to recognize the response to the human emotions. And step 2, creating a user-centric interaction. User interface design and feedback loops are crucial for creating more empathetic responses based on user emotions. It takes a response or feedback to human facial emotions, and if it's not proper, it can create a proper self for it, and understanding and fostering a deeper connection between human and machine. Ethical consideration like policy and positive emotions. Experience like also empathized. So these are the emotions solely based humans. AI can understand them. If not, it can learn from its mistakes to better itself. Final step, the third step, multi-phased approach. NLP, sentiment analysis, emotion recognition, and contextual awareness are all the key techniques used to build emotional intelligent AI. Additionally, personalized and dialogue system further enhance the user interaction with machine or it's a emotional AI. So what are the implementation techniques we are using in it? First one is to define a goal, a clear outline that AI purpose, whether it is for the mental health or customer service or other applications. Or we can take another examples like a how we can say a personal interaction with a human like customer services, uh, pre-planned messages already implementation purposes, but it cannot listen our response. By using this AI implementation of emotional interaction, it can understand our emotions and responses and clearly give an answer. This is the perfect application for the emotional intelligence and one of its application. Second one is to gather and train, collect a diverse emotions text data like text, voice, video, and train the AI to recognize and interpret the emotions. You can take the images of lot of people and collect the data like angry, sad, happy faces, and you can train the AI by using these pictures. And another one is development emotional modules. Create a model that can predict the emotional response based on user input. If you are sad, it can interpret the emotion and give a response to it. It is known as emotional modules. This process is done by modules. And fourth one is to build a user interface, a design and initiative interface like chat voice assistant, or app for user interaction. And the final step is fifth one. We can use it as a test, refine, monitor. Continuously test, gather the feedback, and refine the AI to improve its emotional understanding and responses, prioritize the user policy and ethical practices. Yeah, that's it for the implementations. So let's go to the another topic. As you can see, we are going to discuss about results and discussions. First, go with the results. Enhanced user experience. AI with emotional intelligence can improve the communication, user satisfaction, and trust. User feel more understand and engaged with AI, can recognize and respond to their emotions. It is beneficial to in customer services, education, mental health support applications, and etc. Challenge remains. Accurately recognizing emotions across the cultures remain challenge. AI can struggle with lot of emotions and need to be culturally sensitive for training data. For example, you can take each country people react differently and they show different emotions. So AI needs to be accurate to perfectly predict their emotions. This is the challenge. So now let's dive into the discussion. The ethical concerns, the policy concern, and the potential for manipulation for the key issues. User needs to transparency about how their emotional data is used. For example, we cannot say the information gathered by machine can be safe with AI. So these can raise the ethical concerns in public. So next point is limitations and collaborations. AI cannot truly empathize and limitations exist in training data. AI should complement, not replace human roles in fields like therapy and education, cooperative framework, and key issue for optimal results. Here it explains we cannot train AI completely. AI should be like a help to humans, but human it cannot replace humans like fields of therapy, education, and showing emotions like son and parent or something like that. You can think of other examples if you are able to. So let's go to another topic. Challenges. Understanding human. AI struggles with accurately interpret the emotions due to cultural differences, individual variations, and complex of human interactions. This leads to misinterpretations and difficult response to approximately. As we talked about previously, AI cannot interpret the emotions of various cultures and countries. So approximately it is difficult to respond appropriately. Now next one is the data and ethical issue. Bias in training data and policy occurs around the emotional data collection. Create a limitation in accuracy and user trust. User may feel uncomfortable sharing their emotional with AI. As we are saying, sometimes AI cannot express the human like reactions. So humans should be feeling uncomfortable sharing their emotions with AI. Now limitations. A static models and contextual. A predefined emotional models in AI lack the flexibility to capture dynamic nature of human emotions and their influence of social, environment, and physiological factors. This leads to rigged and potentially outdated responses. Nonverbal communication and user input. AI struggles to interrupt the nonverbal process like body language and relies on user clear expression on emotions. This clear ability to understand the full emotional context on create a dependency on user input. Now, future work and improvements. A deeper emotional understanding. AI can develop more personality models of human emotions, providing in real time feedbacks to user to help them understand and their feelings. It meant sometimes AI cannot interpret a lot of emotions, so we can give it a feedbacks and for improving itself. So AI can understand the various kinds of emotions. Derived applications. Emotionally intelligent AI is finding a practice use on customer services, mental health and education, and HR for improving human AI interactions. The nowadays AI is used in a lot of purposes like mobile applications like ChatGPT and Meta, and also nowadays the AI can be used in customer services as we talked about previously. Also enhance user experience. AI can tailor interaction based on emotional causes, leading to the greater user satisfaction and more empathetic response. So what he's saying is the AI can record our personality and facial structure, and it can understand us in individual way and responding to the individual personalities. Like a different personality, it can give a different answer with a different manner. Limitations and ethical concerns. While AI has made a significant progress, it lacks a genuine empathy and raises concern about data policy and potential manipulation. Like we talked about previously, AI can not be guaranteed the safety of human emotions. We might share a personal issue, but we cannot be sure the AI might can be hacked and it can be stolen the information. So it can be a possibility. So it raises the concerns in public. So that is what ethical concerns are and their limitations. What are the future potential? Continuous advancement in AI can complement human emotional intelligence, enhancing our understanding and decision making abilities. Likewise, the AI can improve our lives and making our decisions in more profound way than humans. It might help to improve ourselves. So these are the references. You can go to Google and check it for their researches. So finally, it is done. My name is Ishwar. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you and please subscribe me and give a like button.